Hey, Jer here. In this video, I'm going to be creating a quick review about this latest product by Demetrius called CryptoGram Profits, right? Now, as you can see, guys, I'm inside of the members area. Now, before I'm going to walk you through each of the modules, because there are like 8 modules inside here, let me share with you guys a short story about how CryptoGram Profits was born, about how the creator or how Demetrius discovered this one loophole, okay, inside Telegram, right? Really powerful. Okay, now if you guys are unaware, last month he launched his meme coins crack trading, and most of you, already inside of this trading program. But if you don't know what is meme coins crack trading, it's basically an over-the-shoulder trading that will allow you guys to become a profitable in meme coins trading. How to avoid scams, because 99% of meme coins out there are scams. Okay, so Demetrius has created a system that allows you guys to consistently gain daily profits with meme coins trading. Now, and while he's doing the meme coins trading, he discovered this loophole inside Telegram, which is essentially, guys, an ad inside the Telegram app. Okay. Now, what makes this so powerful, guys, is that platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Google doesn't allow you to run ads promoting crypto affiliate offers. All right. When you try to run ads on those platforms with your crypto offers, trust me, 90% of the time your ad will get rejected. So you waste a lot of time, you waste a lot of resources, and most of all, you waste a lot of money. This is where CryptoGram comes into play. This is where the aha moment. This is where Demetrius found his aha moments. It's really powerful because the only platforms that allows you guys to make money with crypto affiliate offers is Telegram, and this will be the next big thing. The Telegram will be the next big thing. Really powerful. Okay. Now, Demetrius has this proof right here, showing you exactly, guys, his exact result doing this Telegram ad. Really powerful because people inside Telegram are hungry buyers. Okay, they are ready to buy to whatever product, especially crypto product or offers. They have credit cards ready to spend with your affiliate offers. Demetrius has this training right here, special session or a special training right here, showing you guys how to laser targeted or laser target those buyers. Okay, how to set up your ad campaign. So there are 2 ways to target those buyers. Okay, and this is that will be revealed inside. So let me go through each of the modules inside in here. Okay, so module number 1, this will be the getting started video. So basically, the creator of Demetrius will explain to you how this whole thing works, how you guys will be able to make money with affiliate marketing, promoting crypto offers. But again, you're not just limited to crypto offers. You can apply this to whatever niche that you wanted to tap into. But trust me, crypto is one of the best niches that you can tap into, and it's going to explain to you that inside here. Okay, so the next section here, this will be the module number 2, which is the real examples, the real results, and his actual results rather. Okay, how much money he make, what kind of ads he's running. And the best part, guys, is that you don't need to spend like $100 an ad. You can spend like $3, $1, or $3, $4, $5 ad campaign, and you will be able to scale that. Okay, and he also have that another video training here that will show you how to scale your ad campaign using AI. It's really powerful because AI will analyze your ad campaign, and it will recommend you guys how to adjust things up, how to tweak your ads, how to scale your ads. It will help you a lot when it comes to scaling your ad campaign. Really powerful. Okay. Now in module number 3, this is where you set up your Telegram account. Now I'm sure most of you have a Telegram app yet, but if you don't have a Telegram app yet, so it has that step-by-step instruction right here on how you can download Telegram, from your mobile devices, desktop devices, or on the web if you don't wanna use your mobile. Okay. Now, yeah, let's go to the next section in here. Module number 4. This is where he show you guys how to add funds into your wallet, because you cannot run ads into your wallet if you don't want to put funds. So it's really important that you put fund on your wallet to be able to start running ad on your account. Okay. So let's go to the next section in here. So this is actually my favorite part. So how you guys be able to target those hungry buyers and customers. Okay, so there are 2 ways of targeting those buyers. The first one would be the channels, and then the second one would be the targeting bots. So that will be explained inside of these modules. Okay. And then module number 6, this will be an extra platforms or an extra affiliate offers that you can promote, so you guys can make more money with your campaign. All right. So let's go to the next section in here. And then module number 7 here will be how to scale your ad using AI. Okay. So let's go to the next section here. And then module number 8, how you can get paid. Okay, how to withdraw, how to get paid using a Sanji bot. So this is a really important step as well, to you guys will be able to withdraw your earnings. Okay, let's go to the next section in here. And then the last module would be the conclusions and upgrades. Okay, so those are all of the modules inside in here, guys. Now there are a couple of upsells. Let me show you what are those upsells. Upsell number 1 would be the done for you ad template suite. Basically, you'll get done for you ad template pack, so you guys can skip the guesswork, just copy and paste and launch your first profitable ad in just minutes. Okay. And then upsell number 2 would be the external affiliate mastery and bot automation. So basically you get full training on promoting external affiliate offers, so you guys can make money. You will be able to learn how to legitimately build Telegram bots using the help of AI, how to navigate policies and ensure compliance with while still driving sales and conversions, and step-by-step AI bot automation setup. Okay. So as of recording this video, there are 2 upsells. I'm not sure if Demetrius will add more upsells into this, but overall, guys, the product is top notch. I'm not saying that when you purchase this and watch the training you will make instant profits. You still need to follow the training. You still need to take action into this. If you take action and do the training, follow the exact training properly, you will be able to get results as soon as possible. It's really powerful. Okay, so if you guys decided to purchase this through the link down in the description of this video, I'm giving away, guys, bonuses, which is essentially my recent products that I launched a couple of months ago. So my first bonus for you guys is sticker codes profits. You'll be able to get access into this done for you product that you can automatically sell as your own product. Okay, so that's my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, would be my latest product that I just launched a couple of days ago, and it's called Playful Pages Profits. Okay, this one right here. Okay, which is a done for you product that you can also automatically sell as your own product on places like Etsy or Amazon, and you will get 100% of, you will keep all of the money that you will be making with this product. You can sell this under your name. Okay, all right. And then my last bonus for you guys would be the Canva Kids games. Again, you can sell this under your name while keeping all of the sales that you will be making. And of course, you'll also going to get access to the second version of this, which is the 2.0, the Canva Kids game 2.0. Alright, so those are all of my bonuses, guys. If you decide to purchase this, through the link down in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.